This video is sponsored by CapCut. Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a behind the scenes video I shot last summer with gorgeous Shannon. I've done one of my favorite sets with her last year with baby goats. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I will link it in the description along with Shannon's links. And for this set, I wanted to experiment with my vintage Helios 85mm 1.2 lens. If you're not familiar with it, its main selling point is the super swirly and interesting bokeh. And you guys know I love me some bokeh, or rather a lot of it, so I was really excited to use it. I will be also shooting with my usual 85mm 1.2, and we will do a little comparison of the two lenses and talk about the pros and cons. So let's get to it. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool right here. I need to find a spot where it's not too crazy. Oh, maybe like this. Yes, that's gorgeous. This is very cute. I'm just thinking, what if we put your legs maybe on the side or something? What if we do a little knee? Yes, that's really beautiful. Yeah, and then you can maybe even do something like this, you know? Okay, give me a sec to focus. And look at me here. Yes. For this next shot, I'm using the RF 85mm 1.2 lens. During the shoot, I was just kind of switching between the lenses and seeing what look I preferred in different locations. This is the comparison between the two, and let me know which one you prefer. Now, before we move on with the rest of the video, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, CapCut. CapCut is an advanced but easy to use video editing tool for content creators. This desktop program is free. You can even use their pro tools when you sign in with your TikTok, Google, or Facebook account. One of my favorite tools in CapCut is creating auto captions. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to do. So I have my video here. Now I'm just going to go to text, auto captions, and then just create. So it created all of my captions now here. It looks great. Sometimes it has trouble with some specific words, like here it didn't detect my name correctly, but that's very easy because I can just click on it and change it to the correct last name. Perfect. All right, so now what we can do is go to basic here. And what's cool about this is that there's this little toggle apply to all. So it's going to be applying what we're doing to all of our captions. And we can just play around with maybe some styles. We can make this a little bit bigger. And there's so much customization that you can do with this. You can also go to some templates and maybe do a quick template that will look something like this, which I really like. You can maybe let's play around with a different template right here. is just so quick and easy to make these. And again, they have some really cool like trending templates that everyone is using on Reels and TikTok and YouTube. So you will be able to get these really cool animations that look very professional in just like few clicks. Now I'm going to select the video again and go to Enhance panel. I'm going to toggle on the face detection and I'm going to show you something pretty cool. Let's zoom in just a little bit more on my face. Okay, so this is without the smooth. This is with the smooth. Okay, I can give myself a little bit of makeup. I can brighten up just a little bit more. And look at this. I can whiten up my teeth. I think this looks very natural, and again with the AI feature that they have, you can do this just in one click. And of course you can find some stylish transition effects and filters and pretty much everything you need to create a YouTube video, Reel, TikTok, or any other video content you are working on. So definitely check out CapCut. It's amazing, it's free. I will have the link for you guys in the description. And now let's get back into the video. One thing that's difficult about this lens, apart from it being a manual focus lens, is that it's only sharp in the very middle. It bends everything around and makes it really soft, so if you want to have the model's face in focus, you have to always compose your shot where her face is in the middle. Ooh, what if you sit on the steps, but like maybe at the top of the steps? Yeah. Love that. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. You know what, come over here. I want to try to get like a little bit of this in the shot. Okay. So kind of like yes, maybe like in between, like right in here. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Cute. Oh, I love that. That's perfect. Love, love, love. For skin editing, I have been using Evoto AI and I really love it because just with a few clicks you can get a very natural retouch that actually looks good. And after I create a preset, then it just takes one click to do skin retouch, which is crazy because it used to be the most time-consuming thing for me when editing. So I will link Evoto AI in the description. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. Stay where you are. I'm just gonna move a little bit. Oh, that's beautiful, yeah. Just look down like that again. Yes, yes, like that. Bring the basket a little bit higher again. Or maybe like over your shoulder. Yeah. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's very cute. Yes, oh I love that. That's very, very cute. Okay, so do that, but turn your face just a little bit towards me. Sorry. No, you're good. Yes, exactly. That's gorgeous. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. I love that. Just like, yes, yes, yes. Like closer to you. And look at me. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. You stay like that. I'm just going to get a few different sides of you doing that. And turn your body towards me here a little bit more. Yes, that's gorgeous. Yes, exactly. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, these are so pretty. Here I decided to switch back to the Helios lens because I wanted to make another little comparison in this location. Here's the comparison again, and the Helios lens is very prone to lens flares. Just even a tiny bit of sun into the lens creates crazy leaks, and sometimes they are cool and sometimes they are way too much. And overall, I would say that it's pretty hard to photograph pretty strong backlit images with it. I much preferred the shots I got in the shade, and they were a lot easier to achieve. When it comes to the bokeh effect that the Helios lens does, I think it's really cool. You can see it very well here. The way the bokeh is very circular, especially compared to the RF one. It can really put all the attention on the subject and create that symmetrical look that's very pleasing to the eye. But at the same time, this is a one-trick pony. It's not very versatile. Plus, if you remember what I mentioned earlier, it's only sharp in the middle. So there are not that many ways that you can experiment with your composition here as well.
Oh yeah, I have that scarf. I don't know if you need it for
I
anything.
kind of like it.
It's really cute.
Can we put it?
In my
Like,
hair?
yeah.
Sure.
Let's try see what it's gonna look like.
See if I can make it like a bandana.
Uh-huh.
Go in there. Okay.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Okay.
Let's try some.
We'll try
with yeah. Okay, and then if you can bring some of that greenery out, just a little bit more out of the, you know what I mean, like fluff it up a little bit. Yes, it's kind of dying. That's beautiful. Loved. Oh, that's really nice. Almost, you can almost like grab your dress here. Is it, no, like yes, holding it like this, and almost like you're like looking out. Yeah, yeah. Yes, exactly. Yes, that's perfect. It's beautiful. Love. And eyes at me here. Love it. Oh, that's the shot. One sec. I think my biggest problem with the lens is that it's only sharp in the middle. So I can't do my normal composition. I have to do like put you slightly like lower and go like above and leave like lots of space at the top. Yes, that's really cute. You know what? We'll do these last ones. Can we do some without the, just like very simple portraits? The bokeh here is like pretty insane and it looks really nice. So I want to take like something very specific. Yes, and just keep your chin down just a little bit lower here. Yes. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Another minus for me with this lens is sharpness. Even when I get the focus right, it's never super sharp. It's always just a bit soft, so I have to sharpen up my images in Photoshop, and that definitely works, but it is still super soft compared to the RF85 1.2. I will say that I don't think that an image has to be super sharp always to be good. The softness is its special quality. It gives it that vintage look. So I think it's cool and a lot of people will like that it's soft, but it's definitely something to consider. Yeah, that's actually really cute. Yeah. Yes, oh, that's really cute. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you would like me to use the Helios lens again in the future videos, and which set do you prefer, the one with the Helios or my usual 85 1.2. I'm really curious to know. I asked this question on Threads and most people preferred the vintage look of the Helios. I personally don't know which one I like. I think I really just like them both. I know it's a terrible answer. But anyways, give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!